everyone, and welcome to the return of Cooking with Coco. So today I'm going to be doing a take on the classic Italian dish, the spaghetti carbonara. Now before any of my Italian friends get very upset with me because I'm not making exactly how they make it, I'm actually going to be using this 1977 edition of Italian Cuisine I Love book. But this is how my mother used to make it. Now my mother, as you know, was half French, half Spanish, but there was also a great, or I mean not that many far grades, but 2 grades back, grandmother called Carlotta Bettini, so there might be some Italian in you. Who knows? Either way, I love making this, and this will be the recipe that we're following, which is the exact recipe that my mother used to use, and it's absolutely delicious. So if you want to know how to do something quick, simple, delicious, tasty, and that you can make at home, then keep watching. So you're going to want to need some spaghetti, of course, some bacon or some pancetta, onion, garlic, and then you're going to also possibly want some mushrooms, but that is a little bit of a controversial subject I hear with Italians, but I do think that the mushrooms do add something to the carbonara. And then you're going to need some eggs to go with your crème fraîche. I like to use crème fraîche because it gives it a nice tangier taste. And then the thing that's going to give you the most flavour is, of course, the beautiful white wine. And then you're going to want an assistant chef. Mojo? No, that's not very helpful. Mojo, look at the fridge, but you're not getting anything in it. No, Mojo, what are you doing? You really chop the mushrooms. You don't, I know you're trying to be helpful, but you don't need to get the mushrooms out of the packet. We've already done it. We have already. No, stop it. Now, in the interest of time, because I know you're busy people and you're probably sick to death with people's homemade cooking DIY videos during lockdown, we have started to cook these onions and garlic in some virgin oil. Now let this sizzle away for about a good 5 minutes till the onions go brown. Pop the mushrooms in and let them cook for about another minute or so. Now while all that is sizzling away, make sure you get your spaghetti on the boil. I'd say probably about between 70 to 90 grams per person, depending on how hungry you are. And in a separate little pan, cook your bacon or pancetta so it is nice and crispy to add into the end. Danger of cooking it with the rest of the stuff is it might be soggy rather than crispy. And here's the fun part, time to add in the wine. Wine. La 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 la. And a bit more. Meanwhile, while that's bubbling away, why don't you have a little chat to your cat, who shouldn't be sitting on the work surfaces, but it's just far too late right now. And anyway, it was all nicely sanitized while we were chopping, so it's all good, isn't it, Mojo? Pop the bacon into the mixture. Now while all of that is bubbling away, it's time to mix in the cream and the egg. I am definitely being critiqued here by my sous chef. There's a lot of stirring going on here. So before you add your sauce, you're going to want to drain the spaghetti and then simply pop it back into the pan, like so. Now once it looks like the wine has been reduced in your pan, it is time to add the cream. So you want to pour this in and you want to mix it in quite quickly, but don't let the cream curdle. It's got egg in it, which is what adds some of the flavour, but actually you don't want it to go and turn to some sort of scrambled egg-like texture, so just quickly mix that in. Plate up your spaghetti, and now it's the finale when we can add our sauce to our dish. No, cat, go away. It is not for you, it is not for you. Take your little pussycats down. And there you have it, a very simple and delicious spaghetti carbonara done in a culinary kind of style influenced by her mother, and of course this 1977 edition of Italian Love Cuisine, or Cuisine Love rather. Bye for now.